Alright. Hello. So, first thing to say, as I'm adjusting the volume, yes, I am late. I am late by over an hour. Yeah, I don't really have an excuse. I kind of just woke up late. The worst part is I had a dream that I had overslept, and then I woke up and I realized I had overslept. But it is what it is. Let me studio mode so I can look to see how everything looks. There we go. Okay. I just wanted to make sure some things. Move that there. Widen that. Good. Let me restart that. So apparently VS Code needs an update or something. Alright. Programming. Hello. It has been over a month. How's it going? So, obviously, right off the bat, I could go into... There's a lot of stuff. Please stay on this monitor. Fuck. Okay, at least it took a second to load. One of the few times I'm happy that it takes time to load that. Let me open up FanGS. So I already decided that version 0.2 would be governance, which would be more about the actual like controlling a nation thing. And I already have a lot of stuff planned. So going from low to high, rework of province UI. Yeah, this can't be done on stream really. That time, and then I have to re-implement it. Map mode UI, being able to have active map modes, favorite map modes and interfaces, all that stuff. Options menu, which, yeah. Economy screen. Now this one is one of the bigger important ones. I'm only going to include two, like there's three things here. There's tax, income, and bar. Okay, so each different type of income will have a bar associated with it. For tax income, increasing tax increases unrest. And then like unaccepted pops, any unrest increases are multiplied. I don't know how much, but I do know it will be. Decreasing will decrease unrest, but it will not, it'll have the inverse effect on like the unaccepted pop. So like when you increase unrest, it's multiplied by the unaccepted pop rate or whatever it would be called. And when you decrease, it's essentially divided by it. So, or it affects it. Decreasing unrest for unaccepted pops decreases it less than normal pops, accepted pops. Possibly by a per province basis, but I don't know yet. Production income. Now this is actually leads into the resources system that I'm going to implement, which is probably the main thing that I haven't talked about that will be worked on for this version. Taxes based on production. So production income is basically just taxes on production. Increases, decreases. So when you produce a okay, fuck. I am getting scatterbrained. So similar to Vicky 3, this system is heavily inspired by Vicky 3. Each province has resources. It could be as simple as just wood, or it could be something like Damestar. It's a heavily simplified version of Vicky 3's economy system, where you don't really buy buildings to produce it, it just produces it naturally. But you can build buildings that amplify production. And production income is based on a percentage of that income, of that production. So like, you'll have a resource, say wood. Say each unit of wood is worth a ducat. And you produce 10 wood. That would be a production value of 10 ducats. And if you get, say, 10% of your production income as tax, that is 1 ducat every month you get directly. It's heavily simplified, and those numbers are probably a lot larger than they're going to be, but you get the idea. And there's also a bar for this. Increasing, decreases, okay, I didn't mention that part. Depending on your country's size, the total number of pops. Once you reach a certain amount of a resource that is determined by your pops, say you have 10k pops and you need 100 wood to reach the bonus. Once you produce or import 100 units worth of wood, you get a bonus. Similar to Imperator's economy system, where each province had a resource and you got a bonus from that resource. Instead, there's going to be a lot... how do I say this? Resources are going to be not as plentiful, but also plentiful, if that makes sense. Like, wood is, I've been using wood as a basic one, and it essentially is. Wood is a very basic resource that every country will need. And it decreases, the plan is at least, it decreases building cost or time, one of the two. So it's a very necessary thing. Now, you don't get any negatives from not having a resource. You just don't get any bonuses. The idea is to get the bonuses if you can. And if you can't get your bonuses through your own territory, you got to get it from other territories by importing it, which involves trade. The current plan, as it says, for trading, trading isn't going to be a part of this update. Trading is going to be its own update because it's going to be a complicated thing that I'm going to be tuning a lot. It's going to be the focus of an update. But the current plan for trading is designating a province as a trade hub that quote-unquote gathers nearby resources. Basically, each province with a resource will determine the closest trade hub and essentially send the resources there. Trading with another country essentially takes the value of the trade good and the amount of good that is traded, and then it modifies it by how far it needs to travel to get to its endpoint, which is usually the closest trade hub of the country you're trading with. Usually assumed, unless created otherwise, the capital is going to be a trade hub by default, and I don't think you'll probably be able to turn it off, but you won't, and turn it off and turn it back on. But usually you probably won't need to, and it probably won't cost anything. And yeah, basically, so like, say you have a decently large country. On one side you have Damestar, and on the other side of the country you want to trade that Damestar with another country. You would need to, the amount of money you would make would be very low, because the distance you would need to travel for, assuming you only have a trade hub in your capital, which is, and you're assuming your capital is on the other side, bordering the other country, the distance the Damestar would need to travel would be very high, reducing the amount of money you would make from that trade route. Now, if you had, say, a trade hub on that Damestar province, a trade hub in your capital, which is on the border, you could have an internal trade route that doesn't produce money. It costs money to maintain, but would it cost money? I don't know. That's one of the things I want to test out, see how that works. But we'll just say it doesn't cost money. So an internal trade route, transporting the Damestar from one country, one side of the country to the other, and then trading that resource with the bordering country, meaning that the distance it traveled would be significantly less, meaning you make more money. That is the current plan, at least. It may change. Right now, all that really will matter is the tax income and production income. Tax is essentially just a amount of money you make per pop. I'll just say like 0.001 ducat per pop. Actually, that's a good question. Let's check that. 0.001 times 10,000. Assume a city has 10,000 people. How much would this make per month? 10. Yeah, no, that's way too high. So 0.00001, 4 zeros and a 1, 0.1 ducat per month. That sounds about more right. Province resources. So I need to make these different resources. I need to decide on a list of resources. Obviously, we're gonna have Damestar. We're gonna have wood. One idea I had, and I'm still debating whether or not I want to do it. It's not something that we would be doing this patch, I don't think. But I mentioned buildings increasing output of resources, but I also had an idea of different resources having multiple different potential outputs. Like, for example, wood being wood and hardwood. Which may have different outcomes, essentially. Different bonuses, I mean. Only inhabitable provinces have resources. Making some and they can have multiple resources in a province, making them more valuable than others, which makes sense. Like, that also will help with determining what provinces AI will value. Because right now, oops, that's the wrong thing. I don't know how I'm going to have sorry, got distracted for a second. It'll help for AI figuring out what provinces it needs or it wants. So rather than desiring a useless province that has nothing in it and deciding it wants to declare war on you for that, it'll actually want provinces that have value. And then, yeah, also resources can be found. And unlike Vicky 3, it's going to be a system where, like, Actually, EU4 kind of has it. Well, Anbenar specifically kind of has it. Actually, no, EU4 does have it. Where sometimes your trade good in a region, in a province, can change. In base EU4, it's typically only gold. Only gold and like specific produced things like paper and gems that it happens to. But in Anbenar, they have it. They have events for like just iron, copper, that sort of thing. So I do plan on doing that as well. It's going to be important in my opinion. We're gonna have the nation select screen. Do I not have, oh no, I have nation, I don't have, wait, do I have nations? Yes, I do. Okay, I do. And then I have the scripting system, which I want to do, which will help make things go by quicker, heading in provinces and stuff. But yeah. One of the main reasons why I am nervous about streaming again is that the first thing I want to do is this. I want to go over the entire project and update stuff, clean it up, because look at how big this is. Like, this is a lot of shit. A lot of shit for something that's... Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? Why isn't it working now? Oh no. Oh wait, I think I know what it is. No, I don't. What? It's very windy, by the way. What the fuck is happening? Let's see, FanGS, target, debug, today, data, mods, Anbenar, map. Ah. I know what the problem is. I was fucking with something earlier. Why is it completely black? That's provinces, actually. Wait, pops. Settings, here it is. Oh, I don't have, oh, that's interesting. Why is it black? That should fix it. So, also another thing I've been thinking about that it's not on the thing, mostly because it's not something that I don't know if it's going to be a part of this update, but it's definitely something I'm looking into learning about, and it's shaders. And I'm looking into potentially redoing the map system so that I can actually have a like EU4 style thing rather than what I currently have, so that I could have like the text appearing on stuff, I could have all of that stuff, which would be nice. It's not necessary because I think this is weird and doesn't look the best, but it works. But I would like to fix it and make it look better. I know I also have like the King's Rock with the, technically it's the with Shattered Crown, the Shattered Crown orcs here and goblins and whatnot, but I don't actually plan on having that be the main focus of the first like version. This is essentially the area I'm going to be doing. It's going to be like, I think the region is called Roaring March. It's where Grombar is. But this is just like a test of like a different, like, because I want to not use their maps, because I feel like that's rude to use somebody else's maps. So I was redrawing it myself, and so far, I don't know. Some places look a little too smooth and whatnot. Like, I don't really like this area too much, but I mean, I'm just playing around with stuff, seeing what works within the system, and I don't have like the oops, whoa, just stop it. I'm fucking up everything. I don't have the provinces is the problem. So actually, if I do this, do that, open this up, close that, 3. Technically, I'm getting very distracted doing this. This isn't what I'm supposed to be doing. I don't really care, I'll be honest. I'm trying to come back with more of a laid back attitude, not having to constantly work, because I don't want to get burned out. That's also partially a reason why I stopped. Why I had the break take as long as it did, was because I was kind of burnt out a little bit. I don't want that to happen again, as much as I possibly can. This is it. You went 8, 102. Oops. 33, and then 64. 54. Yeah, I'll just do that, because I just want to test this out. Theoretically, this should open. No. Why? Exception thrown. Why though? Is it because it was... province map. Why though? Why isn't it working? Doesn't make any sense. Huh. Two, 33, 64. I don't remember what all of these numbers mean. I'll be honest. Well, I'll just delete, turn those off. I will build, which will just import the other stuff, re-import the other stuff. Oh, I didn't fully update everything, shit. FanGS, data, mods, Angular, map. There. Build. This will take the time. And God, this takes a lot longer than I remember. Here we are. Yeah, having a UI that tells me what map mode I'm currently doing would be nice. But yeah, I do want to go through and organize this. The problem is, I feel like streaming it is going to be very difficult. This is going to take a long time, and it's going to take a lot of, you know, just figuring shit out. See, that's the thing. I wanted to come back streaming when I had a plan, but I haven't come up with one fully yet. Like, I've come up with a lot of ideas of what I want to do for this update, but I haven't planned everything out. And the reason, like, that's why it's taken me so long to get back. But also, I didn't want to wait any longer, because it's already been a while. One of the things I want to do is I want to separate things out so that because I'm not a big fan of how I have this structured with game data with all the structures. I would like to just be able to import. I would like everything to be like self-contained, but it's hard to do that. I want to change that. I want everything to be self-contained, but doing that will make me have to go through everything. I guess what I could do I can do that in the I can record myself doing that in off time. Meanwhile, I can work on other stuff. This is going to be a short stream no matter what. Like, I didn't intend for this to be a fully long stream. Where is it? What was it? The settings? No, not settings. Where is province? The province is loading. Is it utilities? No. guess I could do settings in a JSON format too. Let me actually open up the JSON stuff. Packages. This is on XML. Okay, so hold on, let me clear all these out. That was actually one thing I should have saved. Settings. Creation. So, alright. Yeah, I just want to redo these. Add to log. Settings file size. Why is this unfusing? What? I'm confused now. What am I... Yeah, there's a lot of techniques I use here that I don't like using anymore. Check for file and load. If OS does not exist, create settings, read file, and then this grabs the settings from the file. So all right. First things first is let me create a basic basic file, new file, settings.json, and JSON, if I know it correctly, and I'm pretty sure I do, or at least I have this example I pre-wrote. Hopefully this is correct. In the order that it's in, yeah, 120, so, oh wait, it's probably 32, yeah, and this is 32, and this is 80, and then this is languages. What? Where is edge scrolling? Oh, it's edge scrolling is off. That's why. All right. So it doesn't matter the order actually. Now that I think about it, because I'm not directly translating. This is a completely new system of loading. is correct, I'm pretty sure, right? Yeah. Target. Oops. I want to avoid using capitals at all. What? Oh, what? It was because of that. And then for this, it would be... You can only have... that. Actually, go back to this, do that. This 3-letter combo. That is the, like, right combo. Oh no, wait, I don't have a 3. Okay. Alright, so... edge scrolling. False. What else? Font size. We just do 20. And then key bindings. This one's an actual one that's annoying, so origin and key. So if I open this up, these are the origins and the keys. Alright, is there... It's in here, right? This is creation. Zero to 65. So where is 265? Ah. Oh, I see how I have it set up now. 264, 263, 262, and then yeah, because it's technically a U32, it makes this so like 265, you can see it here, but that's because it's 0 to 65. And this would be 1, 2, which appears as that because I'm compressing it, which is annoying to say the least. So I would really just need to do it like this so that I can see it. Like, wait, can I not do it like that? Can I not do this? 265. That not how? Yeah. Or do I need to? Do I need to do it like? Oops. this would be origin key. What? Why is this property expected? Oh, do I need to name each one as well? Fuck, what is this? I don't remember the keys in order. I'll move up. Is this really how it goes? I feel like this is wrong. I've never actually done, JSON before. Right. Grab map. Zoom pause. Zoom neg. Date pause. Date fast. Date slow. And then minimap stuff. Minimap. Do that. 1, 2. We'll just have 10, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. Let's do 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Save. Okay. So now I'll go through each one of these. 4, 3, oh wait, no. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 0, 2, 1, and then 32. 6, 1. Oops. 4, 5. 49. 50. And then most of them are just in the 50s, so 51. Take this. 52. 53. 56. Fuck. I just realized this is incorrect. 49, 50, 51, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, oh wait. 6. 37. Then this would be 58. Let's just make sure. Find key. Zero 48. Wait, what? Oh. semicolon equal. These numbers are so fucking weird. Why is the minus 45? I would think that it would be done in... I guess it makes sense in a way. I don't know. It's weird. Okay. So I have a basic setup for everything. So now I need it to load the files. Let me move this over here so that I can see it. So what do I need to open up procedures? Parse. Is it parse? U8 value error. So I need to get out a object, because an object is a map of values assigned to strings. Value being another object that is essentially a value can be a null value, I64, F64, a bool, a string, an array, or another object. So I need to figure out how to get an object. So a value object, yep. Parse object body. Those are just parsing it. A validate object, that's fine. What is a parser? Parser, current token, previous token. That doesn't help me actually at all. Validate. That's... Wait, what? Yeah. Why isn't there anything that creates an object? Wait, what? I'm so confused. What? Brain hurt. Brain hurt. I guess parse string. So we essentially take string and it shoots out a value and an error. Alright, so I guess we'll just here in initialization we'll do could... Alright, so I'm going to take this... Oops, I meant to cut it. And I will that will be fine. Actually, no. All of this, all the way up to here. Comment that out. Actually, add you onto there. Start fresh. Okay, so the only thing we have right now is the settings data structure being created. So the first thing I will want to do is checking to make sure that the file is there. Settings location, just boom, I change bin with JSON. I'm going to actually take this, copy this, change this to log. Well, okay, wait. This is temporary stuff, so do that. And then this is loop main. Ugh, I can't break out easily. Or can I? Why are you over there? I was looking at this one. Whatever. It logs the error. That's all that really matters, I guess. This is why I want to redo a lot of this. Almost a complete rewrite, unfortunately, which will take time, but you guys probably won't see a lot of that work going on. Alright, so okay, so I need to open up a second thing, second packages, open up OS so that I can find read. Read entire file from file. Yes, I want to read as a string though. I can't. Alright, what about in strings? Can we turn a U8 builder from bytes? Create an empty builder with the same word? No, that's backing. Clone from bytes. There we go. Okay, so why am I doing this over here? I need this. Okay, so instead of this, it is raw data. I also need to do actual error checking with this stuff, but that can be done later. str is equal to strings dot bytes, and then just put in raw data. Do I have the strings? No, I don't. Core strings. I'm also going to need core.encoding JSON. Does this all compile? Yes, it does. Alright. So, now we created a string from this. So we have the file as a string. fmt.printf, just to be certain. Build. Oh, I don't have that. Build. This is going to crash before I, what the fuck? What the fuck is happening? Why did it do that? Oh, the data is 0, so it's maximizing, I guess. Full screen. Huh. Why am I not getting... Do I have build setting? I'm guessing subsystem console. That's the problem. Yeah. But, look at that. That is actually real. Holy shit. Alright, cool. There is some fucking bullshit going on here. No, okay. Well, can I just do that? Yes, okay, I can. Cool. That also explains why the frame rate was so low. It was because it was trying to get 0 frames per second. That's funny. So, where are you? Make parser. Wait. No, the parser isn't what I want. I want it. Oh, okay, so strict JSON, JSON 5, pure superset, valid JavaScript, objects may have a single string. Okay, well, anyway. Value. Parse. It returns a value. Actually, I'm curious to see what that actually does. Change that to a V. Comment that out and do parse is equal to, actually it would be val error or equal to JSON dot parse raw data. Technically, that is true. String. Oh. Yep, I forgot that. Build. All right. Okay. Map. Oh yeah. Okay. Key bindings map. Yeah. Okay. It's working. As far as I can tell, it's working. So that means, hold on, val inwidth. Did I think I fucked something up here. Yep, I misspelled. Save. So if I build here, cannot index val of type value, but what value? Oh yeah. Let's assume that value is a JSON dot object build. Cannot cast from value. Why not? It is a well, okay. I haven't worked with unions in this. I'm realizing now. Can I just do object field object? It doesn't. Okay. Learning new things with Odin. Haven't actually done anything with unions yet. I don't tend to use them. You know, union is in Odin is discriminated union, known as tagged union of some type. Oh wait, can you? I can do dot JSON dot object to oh wait, I can do that to assert that it is that type. No, that is not. Oh, it's because it's two values. Ugh. Let's just assume that it's true. Does that mean though that I was on the right track with this? I can do that. Yes. Where's... Okay, there it is. Okay, why is it assuming that it's a float? It is assuming that it is a float, so I must do I64. Right. From value, but I could do this, right? Learning things. Learning is fun. Okay, so it's fucking dying. Actual type F. Okay. But it's not. Well. I guess F32 and then convert this to I64. This is fucking... Oh, wait, not F32, F64. Yep, okay. So I don't even need to do that step. I can just do this. Change this to data, just to make it more understandable. So this is just a print, so I'm just going to comment that out. So now we have the data. So now we just need to go through each thing and set the variables. So what are these? 12 is okay. I can just okay. I will fuck with this shit right here, right now. Alright, so first of all, I can just copy this directly for this. I don't like that. But it is a 32, not a thing, so hopefully I can convert it like that. Let me go through all these first. Height. Target FPS. Language, and then this is a string. What is language? Language is languages. So actually, this will be changed to a switch statement. Edge scrolling is a bool, so I'll put this here. Bool. Oh wait, I just realized I forgot a thing. But you don't need it. You already are a bool. A bool. And then raw font size. Just do normally. You already are an F32, so just do that instead. What your type is font size. Delete that. Switch. Switch to that. Case English. Boom. Is equal to 0. Break. Do I not need break? I thought I needed break, otherwise it goes through. Have I been just not noticing that that's a problem? I might have been. Spanish, German, French, so build 112. Expected an operand. What is that supposed to mean? does not expect an operand. What the fuck? 118 only declarations. What? This isn't making any sense. Got branch statement. Oh wait. Is it because I'm doing that? Language. Is it just language or is it? Yes. Oh wait. I forgot this one as well. Do that just to keep them in line. 112. Expected and oh wait. Fuck. I'm an idiot. Oh. Alright. I think I don't actually need this then. Can do languages dot English, Spanish, German, French, build and needs yeah, okay. I'm fine with that. It separates them, makes it look cleaner. At least by a little bit. Alright, so that's that. Now we just need the key bindings. Alright. So value, oh wait, val is equal to this key bindings that value JSON dot value. So that gets the value, and then I can just do things like val dot can I do Can I do that? Oh no, it's not a it's not a value, it's an object to start with. That's why. Yeah, okay. And then I can do things like obj is it up? Let me put this over here. Move up dot ooh. might need a function that converts them. This might be too much to add to a single line. Like, it'll depend on this. Object dot. Oh wait. Wait. Settings data dot keep binding. Oh yeah, it's making its own thing. That's right. I forgot about that. Fuse. Let me just make a brand new function. New file. And it takes in a, I'm going to need to use JSON. Don't know what else I'll need. So there would be JSON dot object. Oh wait. DJ. And would output a key binding. Oh wait. It'd be game data dot key binding. So theoretically, go down here, comment all of this out, put that in, boom, oops, delete that, surround that, do that. That should theoretically work. Missing return statement, yep, okay. Do this instead. Returns an empty. Okay, cool. So we take the JSON object. Let's create the key bind. I could technically do this in one line, but I want to keep it clean. I'm pretty sure I could do this in one line. So we have object, origin, or could I do this in? I could just do this in one line. It would be fine, wouldn't it? I'm overthinking this. Assert it to be F64, and then convert it to U8. Assert it to be F64. I don't know why it's automatically a float. U32. Does that work? Oh, it does. Why is the frame rate shit? Reify. Target FPS. Is that incorrect? No, it's not. What the fuck? I guess let's take this and see what it is. Build 80. Is it actually? Oh, I can't move that. Up is not set. Why is it? That's so weird. Why is it doing that? Maybe it has something to do with this. Let's get this done and then figure out later. I don't know if I need to do this anymore. Let's uncomment these, comment this back up, paste, up, down, left, right, up, down, left, right, grab map, there we go, just did that, grab map, zoom pause, zoom neg, date pause, date fast, date slow. The reason why I changed it from like overview politics is because these are going to be hotkeys to whatever you've chosen for these spots, not the actual map, not the actual ones themselves. For now, I won't change that, but I will mark these as needing to be changed. That. Alright, so that should technically have everything all done. If I build now. Oh, and it's... The frame rate was fine. That fixed the frame rate. Why does that feel wrong? Why does that fix the frame rate? Ooh. Interesting. For the record, when it is currently not doing anything, the game is running on just under, oh wait, it is at 6%, it's floating around 0.6 and 0.7% CPU usage when doing nothing right now. In future, I'm sure that's going to change. Okay. That went a lot better than I expected. It doesn't change much of how this looks, but it does actually work. So let me just copy this, paste this on the end here. Copy these comments. I could probably rewrite them quicker. I'm sure. Oh, I can't change that yet because I don't have it saved properly now. Oh, I did forget something. I need to clean up. There, delete the raw data. And you know what, also, can I just delete data as well? No. We're free. No. Oh. There's gotta be a way to, oh, wait. There we go. I found it. Oops. Build. There we go. And that's better than just leaving it. I'm curious to see now, actually. Comment that out. Run it. How much memory does it use? 41.5 megabytes. Cool. If I do this now, 41.5. Watch it use significantly more. .4, literally 0.1 of a megabyte, but I'm happy with that. Ooh, okay. It is almost, it's just about 5. This has only been an hour's worth of work. I don't think I have something I need to do, so I don't think I have time to do this. Implement this for save game loading. Or not save game loading, province data loading. See, one major problem I have with doing the refactoring off screen isn't the act of doing it off screen. As long as I'm recording it, I feel like I'm fine. The problem is that I currently have 3 projects I'm working on all at the same time. I have this, I have 12 games a year. And then I have my own personal project. If I make it so that I have to work on this project off stream, then I'm just offloading more work to me and like over the course of the month. The thing is, I'm pretty good on this month is not nearly the game for this month is not nearly done, but work has been very quick on it. I did is that spelled incorrect? That doesn't look right. No, that's correct. Why does my brain not want to accept that as real? Oh, I should actually default. I am going to do it like this. Actually. So here we have a do that. We'll default to English and put to the log that default that chosen language doesn't exist. Ugh. All right. Fuck. I mean, I'll start. I guess on Friday, I'll work on refactoring on stream. I won't like it. I'll feel like it's horribly boring, and I'm going to look like an idiot. But I can't put off streaming it, and I don't think working on implementing JSON to the provinces is going to work in the middle of refactoring. So I'll just have to continue. If I start working on refactoring tomorrow off stream, we'll be continuing the refactoring on stream. If I don't, we'll be implementing this to the provinces, and then we'll refactor next week. That's the plan. I do have other stuff I need to do though. I feel bad that this was a short, basically a half-length stream, but I am coming back. This is my first stream in over a month. I need to get back into the habit and, well, working on this project in general. I just didn't want to put it off another week. But yeah. On Friday we will be working on this again, and hopefully I'll be able to do it. Hopefully I won't sleep in. I don't have anything planned on Friday, so I'll be able to stay for the full time. At the very least going until 6. But yeah. thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys on